Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting both ends ready. Install Monect PC server on your Windows machine and the Monect app on your phone. Make sure Windows Firewall allows Monect and grant any permission prompts. Connect phone and PC to the same Wi-Fi network. Once connected, note the PC's IP address shown in the server app. If Wi-Fi isn't an option, set up USB tethering or pair via Bluetooth. These methods give a direct connection and reduce lag. Once done, open Monect server on the PC and pick the controller mode you need: gamepad, remote desktop, or custom. On your phone app, use auto search to discover the PC. If it fails, enter the IP address manually. After pairing, load a profile that matches the task and fine-tune settings like sensitivity, dead zones, and key mapping. Make changes gradually, test each control, and use the profile save function so you don't repeat setup every time. To finish, run a full test. Move the mouse, type, use media controls, and exercise any custom buttons. If performance is good, save the profile and you're ready. If you face lag or disconnects, first confirm Monect server is allowed through Windows Firewall, then check Wi-Fi signal or change channels. Alternatively, use USB tethering for a stable link. As a quick troubleshooting tip, reboot both devices after adjustments. This clears stale.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.